Welcome back. Colva Tourist taxi operators have opposed Russians organizing tours in the state. They claim that Russians carry out business illegally in the state. The taxi operators have no problem with it. However, they demand that Russians should give business to local taxis.
There was a tussle among the tourist taxi operators of Colva and Russians at Colva on Wednesday night. The taxi operators say that Russians organize tours in the state without taking local taxi operators into confidence. The Colva police had detained Russians in this connection.
A problem settle let's see how it goes. Settlement म्हणजे त्यांनी सांगितलं की तुम ते जे बिझनेस को आहे त्या लोकल्स बरा म्हणजे शेअर करे use the local taxis because the locals are depending on this tourism.
आमगे बरोबर आम्ही इनोवा काढे सगळ्यांनी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केला 12 lakhs 13 lakhs आमगे इंस्टॉलमेंट बी जायना आणि आमकां चड आम साफर जाताय फॅमिली लागून आणि ते बायल बी रॅपेन आमगे बाळ बी वताय आणि आम सकाळी येताय ते आम राती 10 बी वयताय म्हणजे आमकां चड हे जाता.
However, local taxi operators do not have problem with Russians carrying out business illegally. They say Russians should give business to local taxi operators.
So every Tom, Dick and Harry who comes to go as a tourist, they are thinking of making money out of this tourism, which is affecting the locals. And locals are जायत effect जाता, tourist taxi driver खूप effect जाता. So organize नास्तना, हुई register नास्तना, यो industry से मुझे tour agencies start केले, तिजे government and माशे तोरे लक्ष दीजिए.
We spoke with the Colva police officials. However, they refused to comment on camera. Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Goa took a 78-run lead over Tripura in the Ranji Trophy match at Poruri on Friday. The hosts then added 8 runs to take the lead further to 86 runs at stumps on the second day of the Group C match. Goa need an outright victory in this match to hold any chance of mounting a bid to get promoted to the higher level in domestic cricket. So far, Goa have drawn 2 matches and lost 1.
Goa's first innings folded at the score of 252 runs in the morning, with the remaining 2 wickets adding 21 runs to the overnight total of 231 runs. Goa bowlers put up a spirited performance and took wickets at regular intervals to dismiss Tripura for 174 runs in reply. Comeback man off-spinner Amit Yadav produced a fantastic spell in the afternoon, claiming 3 wickets. Experienced left-arm spinner Shadab Jakati bowled the maximum overs in the day and returned fine figures for 3 wickets. Pacer Harshit Gadekar also took 3 wickets. Goa openers Amok Desai and Swapnil Asnodkar, who put on 176 runs partnership in the first innings, were at the crease when the stumps were drawn on the second day at the score of 8 runs. With 2 days to go, a result in this match looks a great possibility. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A festive look drapes the Ayyappa temple at Mungur Hill. Observing the 41-day period of Mandala Kalam, the family's Ayyappa Samajam gathered for the festival. This festival of Keralites add more colors to the Goan tradition. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.